Masamang maghangad ng kapahamakan sa kapwa-tao mga kadonatics. Pero, nako, itong si Bonjing Rimulya mukhang excuse mga kadonatics. Bakit? Panoorin natin yung pahayag niya today. Ayan, grabe.
Oh, flood control, because there's a big budget
Ano daw?
in the past
Flood control.
in Davao City about flood control. That's what I know.
But not corruption per se.
Well, we will check out the flood control there.
Pero may nakita na tayo for now, Ombudsman.
As what I said in the committee is what I said.
Ito talaga yung pahayag niya mga kadonatics no? Malaki daw budget na natanggap ng Davao City as far as flood control is concerned. Ito ang talagang pahayag niya. Davao as epicenter of flood control issue. Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Rimulya clarified his statement during the hearing of the agency's budget in the House of Representatives, where he believed Davao was the epicenter of the flood control issue, di ba? Always napakasama mga kadonatics maghangad ng kapahamakan sa kapwa-tao, pero I think may excuses mga kadonatics. Look at this. There's a big budget in Davao City about flood control. That's what I know. He said, mga kadonatics, hindi tayo fortune teller, hindi tayo propeta. Pero sa mga nangyayari ngayon, nagiging propeta tayo. Bakit? Sa gobyerno ngayon, sa nangyayari ngayon sa Pilipinas, mga kadonatics, sobrang dali mag-predict. Bakit? Sabihin nyo lang, ang nangyayari sa Luzon or kahit saan parte ng Pilipinas, Davao City yung may kapakanan. Kung hindi Davao City, Duterte. Isa lang yan mga kadonatics. Eto, baha sa Maynila. Lubog ang Luzon mga kadonatics. Ang pahayag ni Bonjing Rimulya. Ang Davao, may pinakamalaki or malaki daw yung flood control budget dyan. Epicenter, meaning mga kadonatics, andyan daw lahat talaga. Can you imagine that? Kung matino ka pa, kung hindi ka bangag, hindi ka makapagsalita ng ganito mga kadonatics. Look at this. Ang shootout na nangyari sa Tacloban, ang shootout na nangyari sa Zamboanga City, sinabi na natin na, ay nako, sa mga Duterte pa rin yan isisi. Yun nga talaga. Ang sabi ni Claire Castro, dahil daw sa liderato na walang takot magbanta, nagpa-hire pa daw ng assassin. Si VP Sara Duterte ang pinatungkol niya mga kadonatics sa mass shooting. Di ba? Sisi nyo na din ang paglobo ng presyo ng langis, ang pagbaba ng ekonomiya sa mga Duterte yan lahat. Davao City ang may kapakanan. Ang pagbaba ng peso versus dolyares mga kadonatics. Davao City ang may kapakanan. Ang mga Duterte, lahat ng mga problema sa Pilipinas, Duterte. Lahatin nyo na. Huwag nyo nang tipi-tipiin pa. Kasi nakakabitin na cliffhanger mga kadonatics. Pastilan. Kaya sabi ko, masamang maghangad ng masama, pero hindi siguro masamang maghangad ng masama sa mga taong kagaya nito mga kadonatics. What do you think? Ubos na yung believe ko mga kadonatics sa gobyernong ito, kay ombudsman, sa presidente at iba pang ahensya, ubos na. Biruin nyo, naisip pa nila to? Ang daling humupa ng baha sa Davao City mga kadonatics. Sobrang dali kasi maganda din yung flood control na proyekto doon. Pero obviously, they find ways mga kadonatics para sisihin ang mga Duterte as usual. Ay, grabe talaga. Isisi nyo na. Pwede siguro mga kadonatics, isisi ko na din sa mga Duterte na kung bakit ako nagkaganito. Kung bakit akong hiniwalayan. Kidding. So, lahat ng mga kadonatics, lahat ng problema nyo, isisi nyo na sa mga Duterte. Yan naman talaga yung gusto ng gobyerno ngayon wala silang masamang ginawa. Lahat na mga nangyayari ngayon, dahil yan sa mga Duterte, dahil yan sa previous administration, dahil yan kay Tatay Digong. Pastilan. Ay nako. Kung di lang masama magbanta na sana. May. Anyway, ito, pinalagan ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano ang persecution mga kadonatics. Persecutor. Eto, paminawan na to si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Ayan, binanatan sila.
Senate President, dear colleagues. I'd just like to take note that so the presiding officer made a ruling. We all know the intention and the duties of the prosecution. We admire your passion in trying to prove your allegations, but we're also all aware that the medium is the message. So during the time of radio and even TV, you make that statement and then it is stricken off the record, it's forgotten. There's no, if I can use the word, mind conditioning. And in
Correct.
fact, when I first became a senator in 2007, talagang hahanapin mo talaga yung records. That's why even here, kapag ka may disagreements and medyo nadala ng emotion, pinapa-strike off the record. At pagka sa labas ng Senate nangyari, naghahamunan ng, you say that here, para magsagutan tayo. So the problem nga with coming up with words especially, and this is for both sides and even for the senator judges, when we use certain words that can be, sa Tagalog, bansag. Binansagan mo na na scam o scammer, binansagan mo na nagnakaw, etc. So personally, I don't mind if you use words that is already in your pleadings or in your articles of impeachment. But of course, it still should come from the witness unless you can frame it in a way that it's not only the dignity of the court. I'm just saying, let's all be aware that when we say it, even if we say withdrawn or even, both sides, kahit sabihin mong withdrawn na to, kahit sabihin mong nice try, etc. We know that that's for the cameras, not just for the court. Diba? Kasi kaming 24, whether we watch it here, we watch it in our cell phone, we watch it inside, kami magde-decide. But we all know we're also trying to convince you, not we. The prosecution and defense is trying to convince the public that either the Vice President or her office or whoever is guilty or innocent. So, yun lang, let's be circumspect without pointing fingers to anyone, both sides. Dahil nga, kapag may certain word na may not only negative but may emotional attachment, magba-viral na yan. And it will really affect the integrity not only of the court but of the decision sa huli. Diba? So, I just like to agree with you and emphasize na, you know, in the future, if you say that nagkamali, let's not kid each other. No? Kahit kaming mga senator judges, nagkakamali din kami. Lalo pag nag-i-interview na or nagkaharap na yung vloggers or yung traditional media. But once masabi mo, it takes a life of its own. Diba? Those words. So we have to really be more circumspect in choosing our words, Mr.
I will
President.
allow Attorney May to comment before we proceed with other administrative matters. Yes, Attorney May?
Well, Your Honor, we apologize if sometimes we get carried away by
Sure.
our zeal and our passion, Your Honor. But we at the prosecution, we just want to call a spade a spade.
Within limits,
But-
you may.
Yes, Your Honor. But henceforth, to borrow the words of my colleague, Your Honor, we will try to behave.
That will be part of the chair's.
Well, anong sinabi niya kasi mga kadonatics sa ito itong mga prosecution team talaga ay sinasadya nilang sinasabi itong mga katagang ito mga kadonatics para makukuha ng media at magiging headline. Useless naman kasi mga kadonatics na kahit sabihin pa ng defense team na stricken off the record. Kasi mawawala yan sa record mga kadonatics, pero ang media, ang mga vloggers, yun talaga ang pinaka may impact dyan mga kadonatics. Kasi at the end of the day, ang taong bayan mga kadonatics, hindi chinecheck yung record. Ang chinecheck nila kung anong nangyari sa social media. Same goes to the senator judges mga kadonatics. Di ba? Kaya eto, last time Kapunan ang nagsabi nito, scam, sinungaling, parang ganoon. Tapos si Ligutan, sinungaling. The prosecutors have tried so many strategies para lang, maging viral mga kadonatics. Di ba? Ito ang sinabi ni itong Divina Gracia. Nakaka-disgrasya itong mga kadonatics.
Tama ba?
Your Honor, please.
I was expecting something, Attorney Christine. Yes.
Yeah, it's misleading, Your Honor. Apat na version and conclusion of fact.
Napansin ko sa abogadang ito mga kadonatics, sobrang daming mali magtanong.
Your Honor, if I may, Your Honor.
I'll allow it, Attorney Christine.
Thank you.
The witness is intelligent enough to be able to identify that indeed some answers were different from the previous ones they gave.
And just to set the record
I'm just
straight,
not
Your
so
Honor.
sure if it's 4, but
Just to set the record straight, Your Honor, I did not say 4. I mentioned 5.
ang dinig ko nga 4 eh. Ang dinig
Sorry.
ko 4 eh.
4. Yes,
So
4.
I don't know the number of versions you have, but you do admit that several versions or explanations were given, not
For the same
for the
fund.
same expense.
There were different justifications.
Okay,
Yes.
different justifications for the same fund, for the same confidential fund. Tama ba?
Can I
Yes.
clarify?
Ewan ko mga kadunatics, bakit ganyan yung boses niya? Napapao siguro kaka-practice nung mga nakaraang araw mga kadunatics at pansin nyo naman kung gaano siya ka-tense mga kadunatics na nag-hold pa yan ng grocery, hinahawakan pa niya yung humahawak pa na ng hinahawakan niya pa yung rosary kanina mga kadunatics. Ay, akala mo talaga na, nagbanal-banalan talaga itong mga kumag na to eh.
Bye.
Just say yes or no.
There were four explanations.
There were 4 explanations for the same fund. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So in
Ayan na.
short,
Ayan na.
paiba, you will also agree with me na kapag paiba-iba ang rason, maaring nagsisinungaling lang.
Hindi pa niya mabigkas mga kadunatics na nagdadalawang isip pa siya pero binigkas din.
Or talaga namang ito ay isa lamang scam.
Your Honor,
Ayan.
please.
Still lan.
You and I both know, Attorney May, I have to sustain whatever basis for the objection Attorney Christine may
Yes, Your
give.
Honor. Move to strike the
May headline
scam
na agad.
and nagsisinungaling.
So strict enough.
Tumatawa pa ang bungok mga kadunatics, headline agad, di ba? Ganyan lang naman sila mga kadunatics. Yung matandang palaging nire-regla, ganun din yung sinasabi, di ba? Ligutan, baklang ligutan, ganun din mga kadunatics. Ito na naman, same color itong mga kumag na to. Same color, same strategy.
The record.
Last item, Your Honor.
Yes, proceed, Attorney May.
Okay, Mr. Antonio, kanina sinabi mo na si Vice President mismo ang humingi ng confidential fund sa simula pa lang. Siya ang humingi ng 250 million mula sa DBM. Tama ba?
Yes.
Siya rin ang nag-decide kung magkanong amount ang ire-request. Tama ba? Ultimately, sa kanyang nanggaling ang desisyon. Tama ba?
Yes.
At pinirmahan niya rin ang approval para sa pag-release ng pondo. Tama ba? Through the disbursement vouchers. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes. Pinirmahan niya rin ang mga liquidation reports at certification supporting the liquidation reports. Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay. In short, you will agree with me. This whole confidential funds matter, ang arkitekto at mastermind nito ay si Vice President Sara
Your Honor,
Duterte.
please. Your Honor, please. Objection.
Sustain.
Mastermind.
Counsel.
Mastermind. Move to strike, Your Honor. The
Mastermind.
statement.
May we request, Your Honor,
Ano
that
yan mga kadunatics? Ano yan? Mastermind na yung mga mastermind sa droga? Ano yan? Gaang? Pastilan? O yung mga terminologies nila mga kadunatics ay questionable talaga. Wala silang pakialam. Gusto lang nila mag-viral eh.
it remain on record.
May I request you likewise
Move to strike, Your Honor.
I will have to strike it off, Counsel. Kindly replace it with words that are more
Yes.
acceptable, such as that everything was approved by and with the consent of or with the full knowledge of. It's up to you. I don't want to put words in your mouth.
Mr. Antonio, she was the architect. Yung confidential funds na to,
Objection, Your Honor.
kung paano ito i-disperse at gagamitin,
Hindi
i-utilize,
talaga marunong talaga itong ay nako, saan nila napulot itong mga kadunatics?
Objection.
siya ang architect ng buong ito.
I will have to sustain the objection again, Counsel. Allow me. Mr. Antonio, lahat ng nangyayari at ginawa kaugnay ng
So, ito na lang, si Jesus Cordero na lang ang magsabi kasi di marunong itong bugagang to.
confidential fund mula sa paghingi nito sa DBM sa paggastos, kung paano ito ginastos, paano ito niliquidate, kasabay na yung mga sagot na binigay kaugnay sa OEM, Notice of Suspension at Notice of Disallowance. Lahat ito ay alam, nasa ilalim ng supervision, pinahintulutan at inotorisa ng ikalawang Pangulo.
Wait.
Gusto mo i-say ko?
Can you repeat, Your Honor?
Lahat ng bagay kaugnay sa confidential fund mula sa pag-request, sa pag-release, sa pag-encash, sa paggastos, sa pag-liquidate, sa pagsagot sa mga AUM, Notice of Suspension at Notice of Disallowance, ay una, nalalaman ng ikalawang Pangulo. Pangalawa, inotorisa niya base sa mga pirma niya sa iba't ibang dokumento. At pangatlo, ay nasa ilalim ng kanyang supervision bilang head of agency. Would that be an accurate statement, or tell me if it's not?
Based on my understanding, sir, and based on what I know, sir, yes, the Vice President knows about the confidential activities and how it is being implemented.
I'll pursue it further. May ginawa ka ba na hindi alam o inauthorize ni Vice President Sara kaugnay sa confidential funds kasabay na yung pagsagot mo sa mga AUM, Notice of Suspension at Disallowance?
None, Your Honor.
Lahat alam niya at inauthorize niya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sa pagkakaalam mo, may ginawa ba si Gina o si Colonel Lachica kaugnay ng confidential funds mula sa disbursement, mula sa withdrawal, disbursement at liquidation na hindi nalalaman o inautorisa ng ikalawang Pangulo, if you know?
As to Miss Gina and Colonel Lachica, Your Honor, I would have no personal knowledge on it.
Okay.
Your
Any
Honor,
final questions, Attorney May?
That would be all for direct, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please.
Yes, Attorney May, Attorney Christine rather.
Before we release the witness and
Nawawala yung
adjourn, Your Honor, there is a consensus, Your Honor, that we will ask the court, the respondent would like to ask the court to remind the prosecution, Your Honor, not to use inappropriate words, Your Honor, like scam, mastermind, nagsisinungaling. This is the third time, Your Honor, that we have heard those words, specifically the word scam. And this is a solemn proceeding. This is a court of law. This is a court of procedure, and actually a court of decorum. And we are not supposed to make insinuations, accusations, or conclusions, Your Honor. So we request the court to kindly remind the prosecution.
Yes, I agree with counsel. Earlier, the court made an admonition and reminder to the counsel for the panel of prosecutors, but did not strike out those statements. But subsequent similar statements made were stricken off from the record by the presiding officer. But it does seem that it's becoming a, I would rather use the word habit than pattern, for the panel of prosecutors to close their direct with such strong statements. So kindly, yes, what is the pleasure of Senator Judge Cayetano?
So, yeah. Wala tayong magawa mga kadidatics kahit pa ilang reminder na matatanggap nito mga persecutors na to, ay gagawa at gagawa pa rin sila ng eksena in the future mga kadidatics. Still long way to go. 17 days if I'm not mistaken, then may ilan pa? Overall kasi nasa 93 days mga kadidatics. Still long way. So, marami pang magaganap na mga kababalaghan galing sa prosecutors. Well, anyway, thank you so much mga kadonatics, and comment down below, basahin niyo yan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.